here we come to the escalators at JCPenney at Seminole Towne Center in Sanford, Florida. And right there is a kid's clothes. Here is an escalator up sign. And this is a Schindler escalator. Wow. I wouldn't expect to find this in a JCPenney. Look at the windows. There's a mall. This is a Schindler escalator. And out there is the mall. And here's a directory. The elevator is somewhere around there. Oh.
Let's go down, guys. Mommy got me down.
Escalator down sign. Right there is the elevator. And this is a Schindler escalator. Wow. Pretty typical for a 1990s JCPenney. This is a Schindler escalator. That's it.